Mahaki, beautiful ladies. We're gonna have a little music break right now. And next up performance, we've got the beautiful. You've heard of the Destiny's Child? Well, they got their idea from the two Sini sisters. And that's who we've got coming up next. Two Sini sisters, just to let you know now, I've booked you in for some braids. If I hear, so if I always say a performance on one, then you can come get some hair braids. Yeah? Alright, number one, DJ, play a track, let's go!